Hello everyone, so if you want to change the language on your Redmi A3, so first of all open up your settings. Now you're to scroll down and you're to find your system settings. So here they are. In the system settings, you're to find your language and find your system language. Now press add a language and choose a language that you want to add, for example Espanol, which is totally fine. Let's add it. Now you give your phone a few seconds. So when we've got our Espanol, simply hold it near these two dots and put it back. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to change your language. Press change, and that's it. As you see, now our language is now our phone is in Spanish, just like this. So if you want to go back to English, simply drag it up or delete your Spanish, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.